Good morning dear students, I am your English teacher. Today we shall discuss type 3 notice for lost or found. In previous video we discussed type 2 notice for events. Today we shall discuss type 3 notice for lost or found. Before writing notice we shall keep remember some points. Some points are here. The points given below are required while writing a notice for lost or found. We have to keep remember some points in our mind. What are the points? The points number first, name of the object lost or found. You have to mention clearly in your notice what were the things you have lost. Name of the object lost or found. Second point, date, time, day, when you lost or found it. What was the date exactly you have to mention, and what was the place, which place you missed of that particular object, place where you lost or found it. Next point, brief descriptions. You have to give brief description, identification marks. If there is any identification mark on your bag, on your wallet, so you have to give identification mark, color, what color it is, size, make, contents or model number you can mention clearly in your notice, etc. If you have any other information you can mark in the notice. Next, whom to contact, when and where. Suppose any person is getting off your wallet, so whom should he contact and where. Next point is this a suitable gift, reward for the person who returned the article or object. You may give a type of reward to whom a person who brings your object or your wallet what you have lost. Contact person and designation, class, address or phone number you can mention. These were the important points you have to keep remember before writing the notice for the lost or found. Now we shall discuss how the question will come in your exam. The question is written here. Look, on an outing with your friends, you forgot your school bag. You have forget your school bag. This is the questions. On outing with your friends, you forgot your school bag. In the cafe coffee time lounge of the famous DT Mall, you went to famous DT Mall and you forget your bag over there. So you have to write this notice. On an outing with your friends, you forgot your school bag in the cafe coffee time launch of the famous DT Mall, Shalimar Bagh. The moment you realize it, you rush back only to find it gone. Draft a notice to be put on the notice board of the mall. It is written here, question C. Now how you will write? The first of all you will make the box like this, and inside you will mention here. The first is DT Mall, Shalimar Bagh. Second point is notice. In the left hand side you will mention the date. Suppose I am writing today, so I shall mention the date of today, May 22, 2021. Next, the subject. Why you are writing this notice? What is the main subject? So, school bag lost. You have lost of your school bag. That's why you are writing this notice. Now the notice will come from here. All are hereby informed that a school bag was lost today at around 3 p.m. You have lost your bag around 3 p.m. in the cafe coffee time lounge. It is a black colored Adidas school bag. It contains class 11th English and Physics NCERT textbooks. You have lost your bag, and in your bag there are English book and physics textbooks, stationery pouch, school diary of a Smart Indian Model School, and a register. These all the things was in your bag. You have lost now. Anybody who finds it is requested to inform the undersigned on phone or leave it with the manager of Cafe Coffee Time Lounge. If anybody will get it, you can contact or you can leave this to the manager of the Cafe Coffee Lounge. The person returning it to me will be handsome rewarded. Okay, who will return it? I will give the reward. The person returning it to me will be handsome rewarded. And at last you will mention here your name, like here Sanjana Kaur. You will mention this, and you will the main point is you will write this notice inside the box. Okay, it was a notice for lost or found. Thank you very much, student.